Hey everyone, welcome back to DeepMind Digest. Today we're diving into an exciting topic that's transforming the world of game development, using AI, specifically OpenAI's ChatGPT, to generate code and assets in Unity. If you're a Unity developer, an AI enthusiast, or just curious about cutting-edge technology, you're in for a treat. Imagine speeding up your development process, overcoming creative blocks, and bringing your game ideas to life with the help of AI. Sounds amazing, right? Stay tuned to discover how you can harness the power of ChatGPT in Unity to revolutionize your game development workflow. But before we dive in, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update from DeepMind Digest. Alright, let's kick things off with an overview of AI in game development. AI has been a game changer in many industries, and game development is no exception. From procedural content generation to sophisticated NPC behavior, AI is enhancing the gaming experience in numerous ways. In recent years, the integration of AI tools like machine learning algorithms, neural networks, and natural language processing has opened up new possibilities for game developers. These tools can analyze vast amounts of data, learn patterns, and make predictions, which can be incredibly useful in creating more immersive and dynamic game worlds. One of the most exciting advancements is the use of AI for generating game code and assets. By leveraging AI, developers can automate repetitive tasks, optimize game performance, and even create unique content that would be time-consuming to produce manually. This is where OpenAI's ChatGPT comes into play, offering a powerful solution for developers looking to streamline their workflow and enhance their creativity. Now let's take a closer look at OpenAI's ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a language model developed by OpenAI that uses advanced machine learning techniques to generate human-like text. It's based on the GPT-4 architecture, which is known for its ability to understand context and produce coherent, relevant responses. ChatGPT can be used for a variety of applications, including writing, programming, and even creative content generation. In the context of game development, ChatGPT can help generate scripts, dialogue, and even code snippets for your Unity projects. By inputting prompts or specific instructions, developers can leverage ChatGPT to automate parts of the development process, saving time and enhancing creativity. For instance, you can ask ChatGPT to generate a piece of code to handle player movement or create dialogue for a character. The AI's ability to understand and generate contextually appropriate responses makes it a powerful tool for developers looking to streamline their workflow and overcome creative blocks. Alright, now let's get hands-on and see how ChatGPT can generate code for Unity. One of the most impressive features of ChatGPT is its ability to understand and write code based on natural language prompts. For example, let's say you need a script to control player movement in Unity. You can start by providing ChatGPT with a detailed prompt, such as generate a C# script for Unity that allows a player to move using the arrow keys. ChatGPT will then produce a script that you can copy and paste directly into your Unity project. Here's a simple example. As you can see, ChatGPT has generated a script that defines player movement using the arrow keys. This script includes all the necessary components, like handling input, updating the player's position, and ensuring smooth movement. But ChatGPT can do more than just simple scripts. You can ask it for more complex tasks like generating code for AI behaviors, physics interactions, or even procedural content generation. For instance, if you need an enemy AI that patrols an area and chases the player when detected, you can provide ChatGPT with a prompt describing these behaviors. ChatGPT will generate a script that includes patrol paths, detection logic, and chase behaviors, all written in C# and ready to be integrated into your Unity project. By using ChatGPT, you can significantly reduce the time spent on writing boilerplate code, allowing you to focus more on the creative aspects of game development. Plus, having an AI assistant means you can overcome coding challenges more efficiently, ensuring your game development process remains smooth and productive. Next up, let's explore how ChatGPT can assist in creating assets for your Unity projects. While ChatGPT is primarily a text-based AI, it can still play a crucial role in asset creation by generating code that defines various assets, or even providing creative prompts for other AI tools specialized in graphics. For example, If you need to create procedural terrain, you can ask ChatGPT for a script that generates a terrain with mountains, valleys, and rivers. By providing a detailed prompt, ChatGPT can output a C# script that uses Unity's Terrain API to create diverse and dynamic landscapes. This can be a game changer for developers who want to create expansive game worlds without manually designing every detail. But that's not all. ChatGPT can also help generate shaders, materials, and other components that enhance the visual appeal of your game. For instance, you might need a custom shader for water effects. By describing the desired effect, ChatGPT can produce the necessary code to create realistic water reflections, ripples, and transparency. This allows you to achieve high-quality visuals with minimal effort. Additionally, ChatGPT can assist in the creation of game objects and prefabs. If you're working on an RPG and need various items like weapons, potions, and armor, you can ask ChatGPT to generate the scripts for these items. It can provide the properties, behaviors, and interactions for each item, which you can then tweak and integrate into your game. By leveraging ChatGPT for asset creation, you can save time, enhance creativity, and ensure consistency across your project. Whether it's procedural terrains, custom shaders, or game objects, ChatGPT offers a versatile and powerful toolset for Unity developers. Now let's weigh the benefits and challenges of using ChatGPT in Unity. Starting with the benefits, one of the most significant advantages is time savings. ChatGPT can quickly generate code and assets, allowing developers to focus on more creative and complex tasks. This can accelerate the development process and lead to faster project completion. Another major benefit is the potential for enhanced creativity. By using AI to generate ideas and content, developers can explore new possibilities and overcome creative blocks. ChatGPT can provide fresh perspectives and solutions that may not have been considered otherwise. However, there are also challenges to consider. One of the primary challenges is the need for accurate prompts. The quality of the output from ChatGPT heavily depends on the clarity and detail of the input provided by the developer. Crafting precise prompts can sometimes be time-consuming and may require multiple iterations. Additionally, while ChatGPT is powerful, it's not perfect. The generated code and assets may require refinement and debugging. Developers need to review and test the output thoroughly to ensure it meets their project's requirements. Despite these challenges, the benefits of integrating ChatGPT into Unity development are significant. With careful use and clear prompts, developers can leverage AI to enhance their productivity and creativity. Looking ahead, the future of AI in game development is incredibly promising. As AI technology continues to advance, we can expect even more sophisticated tools and applications that will further revolutionize the industry. In the near future, AI could assist in creating entire game worlds, from designing landscapes and architecture to populating these worlds with intelligent NPCs and dynamic storylines. Moreover, advancements in AI could lead to more personalized gaming experiences. Imagine games that adapt in real time to the player's behavior and preferences, offering a unique and tailored experience for each player. AI could analyze player data to adjust difficulty levels, suggest new challenges, and create engaging content on the fly. The collaboration between AI and human creativity will likely grow stronger, with AI handling repetitive and data-intensive tasks, while developers focus on innovative game design and storytelling. This synergy can lead to more immersive, engaging, and complex games that push the boundaries of what's possible in game development. As we embrace these advancements, it's essential to stay informed and adaptable. By integrating AI tools like ChatGPT into your development process, you'll be at the forefront of this exciting evolution in game development. That's all for today's video on how OpenAI's ChatGPT can revolutionize your Unity game development. By integrating AI tools into your workflow, you can save time, boost creativity, and create more dynamic and engaging games. We hope you found this video informative and inspiring. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below. Let us know how you plan to use ChatGPT in your projects, or if you have any questions. We love hearing your thoughts and ideas. Make sure to subscribe to DeepMind Digest and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. We have a lot more exciting content on AI and game development coming your way, including tutorials, reviews, and deep dives into the latest technologies. Thanks for watching and happy developing. Until next time, keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible.